Hello there, and welcome to the Manifestors Circle, where we post daily lessons, stories, and insights on the law of attraction and manifestation, and how you can use them as a skill to live out the life of your dreams. In today's video, we'll show you how you can manifest using the power of emotion. First, let's define what manifesting is. Simply put, manifesting is the process of bringing your desires into reality. It's about aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions with what you want to experience in your life. Now here's the thing. Emotion is one of the most powerful tools you have for manifesting. When you focus on the feelings associated with your desired outcome, you're sending a strong signal to the universe that you're committed to making it happen. Emotions emit a unique frequency into the universe and help attract similar experiences and circumstances into your life. For example, when you focus on positive emotions such as love, joy, and gratitude, you emit a high-frequency vibration that attracts positive experiences and circumstances. Negative emotions like fear, anger, and frustration emit a low frequency that attracts negative experiences. Focus on positive emotions when manifesting. You're emitting a strong signal to the universe that you're committed to experiencing emotions. The universe will respond by bringing those experiences and circumstances into your reality. Let's dive into some examples. If you're looking to manifest a new job, focus on the emotions you'll experience when you land that job. Excitement, satisfaction, pride. If you're looking to manifest a romantic relationship, focus on the emotions of love, connection, and joy. Here are a few exercises you can try to harness the power of emotion to manifest your desires. First, write out your desired outcome, and then write down how you want to feel when it happens. Be sure to write it in the present tense as if it was already true. Doing this will help you feel those emotions. For example, I feel so accomplished for landing my dream job. You could also create a vision board. Find images and quotes that represent your desired outcome and the emotions you want to experience. Finally, you could actively practice gratitude. Take a few minutes each day to focus on all the things you're grateful for in your life. When you focus on what you already have, you'll attract even more abundance into your life. It can be challenging to focus on positive emotions when you're not feeling them at the moment. It's normal to have days when you feel down or overwhelmed, making it difficult to focus on positive emotions. However, there are practical steps you can take to raise your vibration and get back into a positive state of mind. One tip is to watch channels like this one right here that focuses on positive and uplifting content. Another is to engage in activities that bring you joy, such as watching a funny movie, going for a walk, or practicing self-care. You'll naturally feel more positive emotions when you prioritize your well-being and focus on activities that bring you happiness. But remember, the more you focus on positive emotions, the more you'll attract positive experiences and circumstances into your life. The most effective emotions for manifesting are those that are positive and high frequency and align with your desired outcome. Gratitude, for instance, helps you focus on what you already have and attracts even more abundance into your life. Focusing on love emits a high frequency vibration that attracts love and positivity. Joy attracts experiences and circumstances that bring happiness and fulfillment. Excitement about your desired outcome sends the universe a strong, positive signal. And peace helps you align with the calm, peaceful state of mind necessary for manifesting your desires. When you focus on positive emotions, you send a clear message to the universe about what you want to experience. Choose emotions that resonate with your desired outcome and focus on them regularly. It's important to note that manifesting with emotions is not just about thinking positive thoughts. It's about truly feeling the emotions and allowing them to guide your thoughts, actions, and decisions. When you feel grateful, for example, don't just repeat the words, I am grateful. Instead, take a moment to reflect on the things in your life that you're grateful for and allow that feeling of gratitude to fill you. When you do this, you'll naturally attract more reasons to feel thankful in your life. Additionally, it's also essential to address any objections or negative beliefs you may have about manifesting. For example, you may believe that manifesting is too good to be true or that it's selfish to want more in life. The key to overcoming these objections is to reframe them in a positive light. Instead of thinking that manifesting is too good to be true, think about how it's possible to attract what you want and how doing so can help you live a happier, more fulfilling life. And instead of thinking that manifesting is selfish, understand that when you're happy and fulfilled, you're in a better position to help others. That's it for today. Remember, when you harness the power of emotion, you're sending a clear message to the universe about what you want to manifest. So go ahead and get started. The universe is waiting for you. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.